It's me, Allegra. I thought I would hop on today and share some Walmart makeup favorites, and I have some new items that I just picked up at Walmart that I figured we could test out together as well. So I'm pretty much gonna do a full face. I did just put on these lashes. These are 3/4 Eylure lashes. Hopefully they don't look too bad because I've been wearing them for a few days, and I noticed that when I reuse lashes and then it's fine, you know, in real life, but on a video it's not great because it shows every little detail. So hopefully these don't look too bad because I love them so much. I don't want to take them off, but maybe they look wonky right now. I don't know, guys. Okay, who cares? Okay, let's just get into this though, because I am just super excited to try this out. I just picked this up tonight, and this is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pen. So now I hope this is my shade because it is called Deep Brown, and I have black hair. So normally I don't know if this is gonna work for me if this is a shade, but anyway, guys, it has those kind of the brush head that makes the hair like strokes. So let's go ahead and test this out. Now I'm just gonna grab a spoolie. Okay, so I got my spoolie. I'm just gonna brush my brow hairs upwards, and then let's go ahead. Now I hope this works out. If it doesn't work out, we'll fix it with something else. But because normally I do like to use a pencil, so I'm a little scared to use this right now. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it's making beautiful hair like strokes. Wow. Oh, okay. Because you know what? I've seen videos of this kind of brush head on the computer, and a lot of times you're like, wow, how is she making those hair like strokes? But this really did just make those hair like strokes. And I've tried brushes like this before, not from Maybelline, but different ones, and they didn't work for me because they put out too much product. Oh, and I forgot, the shade is matching me perfectly as well. It does not have a red undertone, so that's great, because a lot of drugstore brow pencils that I buy or brow products, they have a red undertone and they don't work for me. So I normally have to stick with my Benefit or my Anastasia. Well, this is a beautiful natural looking brow, but I also do have to fill in, so I am gonna have to reach in for a pencil. But this is stunning if you already have naturally full brows. Like, this brow is pretty grown and pretty good for me, and it doesn't need a lot of work, but this one is kind of sparse, so I'm going to need to fill in that kind of gapping. I'm going to take my NYX pencil for that. Yeah, this is much better to fill in if you need to fill in sparse areas. I like to draw the brows on a little bit more dramatic too, so but if you like a natural look, definitely you could just use that brow tint pen, but like a lot of people use multiple brow products to get the look they like. So I could definitely see in the future first using my brow pencil, and then I would go in with that brow tint as more of a final step kind of thing. But that's just me because I do like a more fuller glam look. Okay, let's do some face products. I do have some morning products here for me, new to me, to try out. I have this Milani. This is the Cheek Kiss blush. We'll try that in a moment. And I have a bunch of stuff here, so let's just keep it moving. I'm gonna put on some of this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now, this is such a great primer. It feels so good, cool. Well, because it's freezing in my house, right? It's not, it feels really cooling and nice, but maybe, it's because it's cold in here. So I'm just applying some of that Power Grip, and this stuff is very powerful. Initially, what I thought, a lot of times when you use these kind of primers that feel lightweight in texture, for me, they don't really do a lot. But this one, you can already feel it's totally mattifying. So if you live in a humid climate, this would be a dream, because it actually does feel like it's gripping onto your skin, and any products that you put on top are going to really stay in place when you use this primer. I'm just going to let that dry down, and I'm going to put on a little bit of concealer. Now I have the Maybelline 30 Hour Concealer here, and I'm just going to use this to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. So I am going to use this as a concealer too, but first I'm going to do my eyes right now, and I'm just using this as, like I said, as a eyeshadow primer. So I just take it like so, and then using a flat brush, just work it all over the eye. See, it's already kind of getting in my, I should have took these lashes off. I'm so stubborn, but I just love them. I feel so good in them. I'll have them linked below. They're amazing. And so I just don't want to take them off, but they probably, there's a good chance they don't look good Okay, that is so beautiful. I actually wish I could put it on right now because I have these circles under my eyes. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and take care of these circles. I got the e.l.f. Camo Corrector palette here. I absolutely love this. So I'm going to take some of the peach color corrector and put that on these circles because I'm like very insecure about my under eye circles. So let me go ahead and put some of this on and blend it out with my beauty sponge. And this palette is so great because you can use the green color corrector. If you have pimples or redness, rosacea, you can put the green on top. If you have a too orange foundation, you can use the blue color corrector. It will take down the orange in the foundation. And the peach and the yellow ones are great at counteracting that purple under eye. If you have that like me, those are great to take away the purple dark under eye circles. I'll just let that sit. And then I'm just going to put on a quick eye. I have this Wet n Wild palette here that I picked up at Walmart, and this one is called my Glamour Squad. So I haven't tried this palette yet, but I have tried other Wet n Wild eyeshadows, and I absolutely love them. So I figured we could play with this palette today. There's beautiful mattes in here, and mattes are just my favorite. If you're like me and you have hooded eyes, matte shadows are everything because it's very hard to work with the shimmer shadows when you have hooding, because the shimmer a lot of times just gets stuck in the hooding and it just looks awful. So me and matte shadows and all of us hooded eye gals, do you guys feel the same way? Matte shadows are just everything. I really just use shimmer shadows for just the tiniest bit. And, you know, I always am hoping and praying that they won't get stuck in the hooding because my hooding sits on my lashes pretty much. So this is beautiful so far. I'm literally in shock. So far, I've only just used this shade and I've used these two shades. And it has a beautiful black shadow, and it does have beautiful shimmers too in here. So this is so silky. It is applying so smooth to my eye. I literally can't believe this. And I'll just smudge some on the lower lashes with a pencil brush. And I'm just going to do a quick and easy look today. I mean, although this is my favorite look. This is the look that I like to wear every day. If I'm going somewhere, this is my look. It gives me more confidence, to be honest, to wear this kind of look. So I love that. Now I'm just going to let that kind of sit for a minute. You know, maybe I'll put on some eyeliner. I'm not sure. But I really want to put on some foundation and finish these circles now. So now I have here one of my favorite foundations. This is the NYX Born to Glow foundation. So I'm just going to put some of this on, and let's see. I know I love this. It is a little bit too yellow for me right now, but maybe I'll color correct that. This is just the most beautiful foundation. I don't even know why. Like, if I wasn't testing different products, I mean, this is absolutely stunning. This is definitely a drugstore better than high-end. And now I'm going to put on some more of that Maybelline 30 Hour concealer, but I'm going to put it as a traditional concealer now. And I'm just going to put on a quick little bit of this Milani before I blend out the concealer. This is the Cheek Kiss blush. How beautiful is that? I've never tried this before, so we're going to test this out together right now and see what happens. But let's just take some on the brush. Ooh, that's beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. I thought this might be too orange, but it's like a pinky orange. It's a coral. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. It does not look that orange in real life. So let's go ahead and blend these puppies out. This is beautiful. I'm so glad that I got this. This is actually stunning. And especially when you work with different cream blushes and liquid blushes and all these kind of new liquid, you know, cream blushes out there. So many of them are just, they won't move on your skin, but this just melted into my skin. It is absolutely stunning. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to quickly set my under eyes because I don't want this to start creasing up. So I'm going to go ahead and set the under eye just very gently, and the T-zone area because I do get oily there. So I want to make sure and set that. But the blush I'm going to just leave so it keeps the dewiness and the glow. This is truly one of the most beautiful blushes I've ever used. It's unbelievable. I'm so happy I got that. Wow. Okay, so I have my Flower Beauty. This is the contour palette, Lift and Sculpt. I'm just going to put a little bit of this highlighter on. What do you guys think about? Sometimes I'm just not in the mood to contour. And oh, that's really wow, that's really shiny. Yeah, sometimes I just don't like bronzing or putting on contour or anything like that because I just don't. Are you guys like me? Right now I'm happy. I don't even want to put on any bronzer or, you know, contour my face or anything like that. But this is beautiful highlighter. You know, maybe I'll contour my nose a little bit now that we're talking about it. Now that I started thinking about it, I'm like, maybe I'll do a little contour. And I'm just using some of that bronzer under my eyes. Now, this is a very cool tone bronzer, which is something new to me because I'm always having warm tone bronzers. I'm going to wet my face with my Allegro Chatty Beauty Mist. Now, this is also available at Walmart, believe it or not. So, it's not available in store, though, at Walmart. You have to go online, Walmart online. So, I'm just going to put on some of this Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Wow, this mascara is amazing. This is seriously another one, drugstore better than high end. Look at all those lower, I know I had the fake lashes on, but wow, look at you can definitely see the difference from the lower lashes, but even when I have fake lashes on, you know, I don't get this much you know, lash effect. I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to put on some liner and things like that. But let's go ahead and just let's put on this lip now. This is the Maybelline Raw Chocolate lip liner, and this is the color Sensational Shaping lip liner in Raw Chocolate. So pretty. And then I have here the Maybelline, this is the one of those Superstay Matte Inks, and this is in the shade Loyalist. So put a little bit of this on. And I've been wearing this lip combo, and it really is Superstay Matte Ink. It really is a Superstay. It lasts and lasts. It does not come off. So good. I'm sure you guys have tried it. They've been around for a while now. And I'm just going to put a little of the Maybelline Baby Lips on top because I just like the way it feels. It gives you a little moisture because sometimes the matte lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, they feel kind of tight on your lips. So I always like to put a little lip balm or something on top to, you know, take down the tightness. So because I just added a little bit of this Maybelline Lasting Drama cream liner, and I just lined my lower lashes, my lower waterline with it, and I also did a little bit of a wing liner. So yeah, I love this stuff. It's so good. And here it is right here now. So beauties, this is the finished look. I had so much fun testing out some new Walmart makeup today, using some of my Walmart makeup favorites, you know, just to do a full face of Walmart makeup video. So let me know what you guys think. Which one are your guys' favorite? I have to tell you, this is amazing. If you see this in store, I think you would absolutely love this. Or if you want to pick it up online, it's a sure thing. It's stunning. It's beautiful. I cannot say enough good things about it. So I had so much fun just playing with makeup today, and I'll have all my Walmart makeup favorites linked down below, and let me know your Walmart makeup favorites so we can try them out in a future video. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment #GlamFam down below to be entered into all my makeup giveaways. I'm actually giving away today a $40 Walmart gift card. So if you'd like to enter to take part in today's giveaway, then just be a subscriber, give me a thumbs up, and comment #GlamFam down below. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I will see you very soon. Bye!